when you're filming.
I'm filming.
We getting the house is ours.
Okay, this is the front entryway.
The house is ours. The house is ours. Wait, is there only one door?
Yes. Are you spoiled from the other house?
No, I was just wondering. I like the ramp. I can practice my moonwalk.
Yeah, there's a little ramp.
Mom.
This is the
Mom, look, I'm practicing
parking
my
area.
moonwalk.
Okay, Davis is moonwalking. Here's the villa. It's a duplex, so over there's our neighbors.
Oh,
This is our car park. And there's our water tank. And this will be your garden. Okay. This is our villa. And back there's more grass. There's Davis and Cameron and Daddy. And our realtor son.